So I thought I would show you what I did with that last layout, One Cute Cookie. You know, Jack has passed on, but we loved him dearly, and he had so many great expressions on his face. I had saved a bunch of photos, put them in an album, or a file, I should say, on my computer. And I thought this would be a really cute layout to do of Jack from baby through the end of his life, just to show you what you can do with something like this. So you can think outside the box when it comes to freshly baked and look at those layouts. Maybe take the title and put it into something that you really love, or take away the baking and think about really great times that you've spent with someone, change the title completely or some of the images. But One Cute Cookie, this could be any one of your children, your grandchildren, any of your furry pets, the love of your life, whatever, but it's just really a cute idea of what you can do. So here we have a photo of my son and Jack when he first came to our house. He was such a cute little puppy. Here he is a little bit like a month or two later, and he was just such a joy. He had so many great facial expressions, and this is the other page. So you can see here I used playful. I actually printed my photos and I put serious Jack on it, howling Jack. Jack loved to sing. He was so fun when you asked him to howl and the way he sounded. And this was, as you can see, this is a tired, full-belly Jack on Christmas. He loved his blanket and his toy. He was so much fun. But I wanted to add more photos. And, you know, one of the best ways we can do that is using Pocket Plus pages. But before I show you the Pocket Plus pages, I just wanted to remind you, this was stamped with the stamp set. But then I did do some speckling with espresso shimmer brush in the background. I edged my paper with some of the mocha ink. And then you can see I used some of the stamps. And I picked a good one, is from Autumn Vibes stamp set, because Rick actually picked him, and Rick picked Jack out of a litter of 6 rescue puppies in November of 2007. Then you have some other images that were either punch outs or stickers. And I love this little bit of icing. And the colors work so great. And it was just so fun. And I love this with him howling and just enjoying the day. And yes, he was an official cookie tester. He would test all kinds of food, especially if it fell to the floor, right? We love that about our pets. But when it comes to a Pocket Plus, if I had this in my album, it would be actually right in the middle, in between. So I continued the story of young Jack with, we loved our new puppy Jack and his brown spots and freckles. Yummy cookies. You could see he's gnawing on like some kind of a cookie that we gave him. Love that the Picture My Life card was love at first bite. So true. It's a little gingerbread house. And I actually used the white gel pen to draw attention to the bite marks right there. And it was fun. I mean, this is how I can think outside the box with this. This is teenage Jackie boy. You could see how dark his face was as a puppy and a young dog. I mean, he was just so cute. He had lots of fun features about him. Oh, this is sad Jack. You could tell by his face. And one of the other Picture My Life cards said baking spirits bright. So I put an R in there for barking, spirits bright. Jackie boy, or just Jack, was a lover boy. He was such a handsome dog with a great personality. He had so many faces to represent his mood. He howled like a hound dog. He truly did. And Rick would take Jack a lot down to Fox Point, and he always had a jacket or a sweater. And this is manly Jack. He was in his element being outside, and he really enjoyed some great walks. And then you could see I did the playful Jack. And this is the perfect layout, I think, to represent somebody that you think is a really cute cookie. Thanks for watching, and I hope you really felt this was very helpful to you, to make you think beyond what you actually think the kid is all about. And maybe you can use this page for a furry friend or somebody very dear and near to you. So I hope you enjoyed this.